Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Soumya. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very healthy and quick stir-fry vegetables or sauteed vegetables. This is also known as Poriyal in southern parts of India. So let's get started. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Let's get started.
Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and once heated, add 5 to 6 cloves of chopped garlic, then add 1 red dry chili to it, then add half an onion, saute for a while and then add 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder and some red chili powder. Now chop 1 small sized tomato and add into it. Mix and cook everything for a minute and then add salt as per your taste. Let it cook for a couple of minutes and then time to add in our vegetables. So here I have chopped some carrots and green beans. And I have also taken half cup of green peas, which is absolutely optional. Mix everything together and cook for a couple of minutes and then add salt to it. Now lower down the flame, place the lid and let it cook for around 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, open the lid, saute the vegetables. So one thing here guys, now since carrots often take a bit longer time, so let's check it. Oh yeah, wow, this is perfectly done. Now add half a cup of fresh cilantro here or coriander leaves, followed by a handful of white sesame seeds. There we go. So that's it guys, our healthy and super quick carrot and beans poriyal is all set to be served. So take it out in a bowl and enjoy. Alright guys, please subscribe to the channel. This is Soumya signing off. We'll be back very soon. Till then you guys take care of yourselves. Bye bye.